everyone, thank you so much for stopping by today. If you're new here, my name is Doni. Feel free to subscribe for me before you go so you can be part of this family, and also hit the notification bell in order to be notified whenever I have a new upload. Today's video is about SHEIN clothing haul. This is my first time buying stuff from them because I'm always reserved when it comes to online clothing store. Unless those stores have on ground store, you can just walk in and do whatever you want to do. Because once you buy those online stuff and they do not have on ground store, it's not easy to return them back if you do not like it. It might be the policy or it might be the struggle you will go through in returning them that will make you end up with stuff that you don't even like. So I'm always a little bit reserved when it comes to online clothing store, but I decided to take a chance with SHEIN and see, because I see a lot of nice little stuff online that most of on ground store do not have. And yeah, I'm tempted to start buying stuff online, so I take a risk with SHEIN. Let's see if this is a good risk or no. We're going to read it together. Here is the package. I have not opened it yet because I really want to give you guys my first impression. So we're going to open this together. We're going to rate this outfit together, and we will see if the risk is a yes or a no. So let me open it and I will start trying them. Yeah, SHEIN all over it. First of all, I like the packaging. You see how they package the item? Is like every single outfit is separate. I really love this. So this is it. See? Wow, I'm really impressed with the way they ship their stuff. So let me try this top on and we will see if I'm impressed with the quality, just the way they impressed me with the packaging. Yeah. I love this yellow t-shirt with a black heart design on it. It's really beautiful and the color is gorgeous. I have it in large, and this shirt right here is a large as well. It's very cute and very comfortable. I love it. I had large as well because I wasn't really sure about the size, but it looked like the large is a little bit too big, but it's cool. I will make it work. And this black blouse here, I have it in medium, but unfortunately it's too tight, and I don't know what happened to the camera when I was filming this part. Forgive me, but at least you get a chance to see it. And this white t-shirt is really cool and beautiful. The material is really great for the prices. I picked this because it says queen on it and I'm a queen. So yeah, I love it, and I'm feeling myself. Okay, this is a blouse as well. I picked this in medium. It's a little tight for me, but I will make it work. You see my tummy big, right? I know that's a gift of quarantine, too much eating. I always say I will work out, but I never did. I always work out in my head because a girl loves food. What can I do? I will not kill myself. Let me just keep eating. And you see the detail on the neck. I love this blouse. I really love it. I don't know why I didn't pick a large, but the reason is just because I don't like my blouse too loose, but this one is unfortunately too tight because I'm usually a medium. I just decide to pick medium, but it's okay. And this t-shirt is beautiful as well. All the t-shirts are large, only those two blouses were medium. I love this because I love makeup, and the design on the chest is really beautiful. That's what attracted me to it. Yeah, this is a yes. I love it. And this is another queen t-shirt. It's the same thing with the other one, just in black. I don't know how I end up with two, but it might be a mistake from me or for one reason or another, but I will double check I really love it. I'm really feeling myself. It's classy, bougie, savage, everything at the same time. Don't you love it? Cute. Yes. Àkàrà òyìnbó, jingo jingolo, ó wù mí jẹ, tó bá lọ sọ́jà, ràábọ̀ fún mi, èyìnbó kẹ̀kẹ́, èyìnbó kẹ̀kẹ́ kúkú kẹ̀, èyìnbó kẹ̀kẹ́, èyìnbó kẹ̀kẹ́ kúkú kẹ̀kẹ́ kúkú kẹ̀. Okay guys, I love this t-shirt. The only thing I'm not sure about, I don't know why they sent me 2 of this. I think I ordered 1. Maybe they made a mistake. They charged me for 1 or they charged me for 2. I'm not sure what happened, but I will double check if I really ordered 2 of these or they made a mistake and sent 2 while they charged me for 1, or they charged me for both. I don't know what happened, but I will double check and see what happened. Otherwise, I love everything except for those 2 blouses that were a little smaller. If I pick up maybe 1 size bigger, I will love them. And this is a yes. Next time I just know that I have to pick a bigger size in order to be satisfied. Normally I usually wear medium, small. It depends on the material and the cloth. When it comes to SHEIN, I know I have to order large next time. Thank you for watching. If you really enjoyed this, do not forget to give me a thumbs up and feel free to stick around for my next upload. I upload a video every week, so stick around for every week upload. Thank you.